Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you. This is Khawaja, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel, Learn English with Mr. Khawaja. Here I help you speak English. I help you improve your English, and you do it as you practice with me. It's lesson number 13 today, and today this lesson is about useful words and expressions in everyday speech. The first expression is to figure out something or to figure out someone. To figure out something or to figure out someone, it means to understand. If you're using it for something, then it means to calculate or to study carefully in order to understand. And if you're using it to figure out someone, it means to understand someone's personality. Repeat after me. Can you figure him out? Can you figure him out? No, I can't. He's too clever. Repeat after me. Can you figure him out? No, I can't figure him out. He's too clever. And to figure out something, like to figure out the cost of something, or to figure out something which is written and written badly. Repeat after me. Why can't you figure out what the writer is trying to say in this letter? Why can't you figure it out? Why can't you figure it out? Answer. I can't figure it out because this letter is very badly written. I can't figure it out because this letter is very badly written. Repeat after me. How long did it take you to figure out the cost of that project? How long did it take you to figure out the cost of that project? It took me at least 3 weeks to figure it out. It took me at least 3 weeks to figure it out. Now the next expression is would rather. Would rather means to prefer to. Question. Would you rather have coffee or tea? Repeat after me. Would you rather have coffee or tea? Answer. I'd rather have coffee. I'd rather have coffee. The next expressions are get expressions, and in every get expression, the meaning of get is to become. To get better, to get worse, to get sick, to get well, to get tired, to get wet, to get busy. Now, repeat after me for all these expressions, and you will repeat after me for the questions and answers. Get better or get worse. Is your headache getting better or worse? Well, I took some aspirin a few minutes ago, and I hope it will get better. Is your headache getting better or worse? Well, I took some aspirin 10 minutes ago, and I hope my headache will get better very soon. Get sick and get well. Question: when did she get sick? Repeat after me. When did she get sick? She got sick 2 weeks ago. When did she get sick? She got sick 2 weeks ago. When did she get well? She got well 1 week ago. When did she get well? She got well 1 week ago. Now the next expression is to get tired. Why did you get tired? I got tired because I had to work overtime. Why did you get tired? I got tired because I had to work overtime. The next one is to get wet. How did you get wet? Answer: I got wet in the rain. I went out last night and it was raining, so I got wet. I got wet in the rain last night. The next one is to get busy. What time do you get busy every morning? Repeat after me. What time do you get busy every morning? I get busy at 9 o'clock. I get busy at 9 in the morning. When do you get through your work? Get through means to finish. When do you get through work? Answer: I get through work at 5 in the afternoon. I get through work at 7 in the evening. Repeat after me. What time do you get busy in the morning? I get busy at 9 o'clock. What time do you get through work? I get through work at 7 in the evening. The next two expressions are in time and on time. In time means within or sometime before an appointed time or a deadline. And on time means exactly at an appointed or given time. Repeat after me. Did you reach the airport in time? Yes, we reached the airport in time and the plane took off on time. Yes, we reached the airport in time and our plane took off on time. The next two expressions are to be up and to be over. And these two expressions means to be ended, to be finished. To be up is used only for time and to be over is used for the duration. Repeat after me for the question. Is my time up? Answer: yes, your time is up. You must submit your paper now. Is my time up? Yes, your time is up. You must submit your paper now. And for it to be over, when will the meeting be over? Repeat after me. When will the meeting be over? Answer. The meeting will be over in 30 minutes. When will the meeting be over? The meeting will be over in 30 minutes. I hope this much is enough today. Keep repeating, keep improving. Take good care of yourself. Goodbye.